Modern science is still treating thyroid as a disorder, but it can be reversed naturally. If you have thyroid, you don't need to rely on synthetic thyroxine to balance your thyroid level for life. The root cause of hypothyroidism is the underproduction of thyroid hormones by your thyroid gland like TSH and T4. There are natural herbs that are clinically proven to help overcome these problems. For example, kanchnar. It converts thyroxine to T4. Guggulu. It will help to absorb the sufficient amount of iodine from the body so that T4 can be produced. Ashwagandha reduces the cortisol level and stimulates the conversion of T4 to active T3. Seakelp is a high source of iodine that balances iodine deficiency in the body. For that, I recommend you ZeroHarm Narie Thyroid Care. They have used science to get most bioavailable form of these natural herbs. Each batch is clinically tested and thousands of women have seen a change in their energy level, weight loss, thyroid level after taking this Narie Thyroid Care. It's 100% safe and has zero side effects. Zero harm, clean ingredients, real results.